You don't always need to fly somewhere to have a luxury experience. Sometimes the best staycation is hiding right here in your own city. I'm talking a rooftop pool, fine dining, luxury rooms, and it's literally minutes from the airport. Today we are checking into Holiday Inn Express and Suites, and trust me, this one surprised me. First thing first, the location. This property is right in Gopalpura, which means you are just a few minutes from Jaipur International Airport, the railway station, and major highways. Whether you are heading to Pushkar, Delhi, Udaipur, or Ranthambore, this hotel connects you to literally everywhere. And if you're flying in and want to skip the chaos of city traffic, this is your answer. Holiday Inn is popular for its contemporary stays, but it has a lot to offer for families, business professionals, and couples. Okay, let me show you where the magic happens. The hotel has 139 rooms across 12 floors, and they come in three categories: standard rooms, a suite with kitchen, suite with dining kitchenette. I got the suite, and honestly, it feels like an apartment. You've got a 43-inch LED smart TV, a mini fridge, microwave, tea and coffee maker, hair dryer, and the bed? Absolutely heavenly. Every detail here is thought through for both work and relaxation. Let's talk food, because this hotel has not one but two restaurants, and both deserve their own moment. First up, Nosh 24/7. And yes, it is exactly what it sounds like. This multi-cuisine restaurant is open around the clock. 2 a.m. hunger? Sorted. Post-flight snack at midnight? Sorted. Early 5 a.m. breakfast before your flight? Absolutely sorted. I had here Neapolitan pizza, freshly made. Hand-stretched, freshly made dough, proper sauce, beautiful char on the crust. This is not frozen, not reheated. Made fresh right there for me. In a hotel, I was not expecting this level. Then came the loaded nachos, and I mean loaded. Fresh salsa, proper guac, everything made in house. Also had Vietnamese iced coffee, brewed and made just the right way in front of my eyes. I think this is what I need for my lunch. So the best thing about Nosh is that it is 24/7 open, serving the whole menu all day. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The rooftop swimming pool. And not just any rooftop pool, this is claimed to be the highest swimming pool in Jaipur. You're on top of the building, the Jaipur skyline stretching out in every direction. The breeze is perfect, and you are just floating above the pink city. I genuinely didn't want to get out. After the swim, it's time for a high tea. Let's talk about Express Cafe and Bar. This is where the hotel gives out their dining experience. Every afternoon, the hotel puts out a complimentary high tea spread. We are talking proper tea, little bites, snacks, the kind of thing you'd pay good money for at a standalone cafe. And here, it's just part of the experience. And then there are moments on a staycation where you just stop, putting on some music and just soaking while you're supposed to be in your own city. It hits completely different. No rush, no schedule, nowhere to be. All relaxed, let's catch up dinner. The cuisine is multi-cuisine, both veg and non-veg, and the menu is where the kitchen really gets to show off. Think sharing plates, daily specials, light bites, and proper full meals. Whether you want something quick or want to sit and enjoy a long meal, both works here. I had dinner here, and all the food choices were exactly what I would like to eat on a holiday. This is the place which gets busier during the breakfast, high tea, and dinner time. I also enjoyed these cool drinks, as Jaipur summers are no joke. These drinks refreshed me, and I had some great time dining at Express Cafe and Bar. Here are a few things that honestly made this stay so convenient. The 24/7 gym is on the 11th floor, so you're working out with a view. It's fully loaded: cardio machines, weights, cycles, cross trainers, dumbbells, yoga mats. Even on a vacation, workout is important.
And what's better if you have a fully functional gym in your hotel?
Number 2 is self-service laundromat. Available 24/7, perfect for long stays or if you're a light packer like me.
While traveling, I always worry about my laundry. But in this vacation, I don't have to. Holiday Inn Express Jaipur has the first laundromat. It's the self-service for laundry, and I couldn't be more happier to get this service.
Number 3, EV charging point in the parking area. Future forward and honestly needed in 2026. So here's the thing about Holiday Inn Express Jaipur. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just delivers. Comfort, food, that rooftop pool, and service that actually makes you feel like a guest. Whether you're flying through Jaipur, planning a staycation, or just want to treat yourself in your own city, this property is 100% worth it.
And finally, my staycation has come to an end. Overall, I had a lovely stay with Holiday Inn. It was comfortable and very much relaxing.